This is Michael Nelms from Hayward Allen Motor Company in Athens, Georgia, here to preview a new arrival. It's a 2015 Lincoln sedan, dark gray with black interior. It's a one owner, has a clean Carfax, has just been through service, and will be on the lot today. Got a very good set of Goodyear tires all around. This vehicle just needs a new owner. One of the nicer MKZs you will find. Very well taken care of, inside and out. Barely a scratch on the outside. Interior is in excellent shape with the original floor mats. Very sharp, modern design. Very clean, laid out. Equipped with heated leather seating, to the push button shifting. Give me a call for more information or for an appointment to test drive. The number is 706-621-8518. Again, this is Michael at Hayward Allen Motor Company. We're located at 2590 Atlanta Highway in Athens, Georgia. Give us a call today.